Nilou's back. Back with another lip kit of things she doesn't need. Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm really excited and I hope you guys are too because I found a set that I think is probably gonna be one of my favorite Sephora favorites. Give me some nude lip sets that I've ever tried. I can just tell by the packaging. First off, I'm really excited about this. So I wanna start by saying I was sick last week and I lost my voice and it's finally back. So if I sound crackly or hoarse, that's why. Sephora put 2 full-size products in this and I'm so happy. I complain every single video about them not doing enough full-size products, and I really haven't been too happy with a lot of the sets they've come out with recently, but I love that they have 2 full-size matte liquid lipsticks in here. There is the Buxom lip gloss in Dolly. There's a Makeup Forever liquid matte lipstick in, I believe, the color 105. There's a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea hydrating lipstick in Beach Babe, and then there's Stila full-size liquid Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Carmelo, and then the Huda Beauty liquid matte, I forgot the color, in the color Trendsetter. I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna give you guys some swatches and just kind of let you guys know what I think upon first impression. I'm going to follow up. So in about a week, you'll see another video from me and I'll be wearing this set all week so I can give you a full spectrum of my thoughts and tell you what I really thought about each product and if I think the set's worth buying. I just think it's nice when the product first comes out to see it on somebody, see some swatches and see it used like live action. I'm so excited because I'm doing a giveaway of this product, and as soon as I saw this in the store, I'm like, 2 full-size products, I'm giving this away. Because I didn't do a giveaway since last year and I'm almost at 1,000, so it's kind of like an honorary giveaway, but I haven't really been this excited about a set from Sephora in a while, so I hope you guys will enjoy this. Keep watching for swatches. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. You have to look in the description box below, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Okay, now that I'm close enough to where it doesn't look like I'm naked, but you can also see my lips a little bit more zoomed in. I know that's something that people have commented on in previous videos, like, hey, can you zoom in a little bit better or a little bit more so we can actually see your lips a little bit better? I'm gonna start with the Buxom lip polish in Dolly, and this is a gorgeous kind of mauvey color, but it's pretty clear. It's like kind of translucent, obviously on the lips because it's a gloss. I have tried these before and you guys know I have qualms with minty gloss. It burns, but the thing is with Buxom glosses, I actually like Buxom glosses so much that I'm not truly fully gonna be like no to this just because it burns, just because they're so beautiful. Let's try it on. There it is. So a gorgeous nude, neutral shade that would work with anybody's lips, I'm sure. Or on me, it's kind of like a My Lips But Better lip gloss. Like, it looks like my lip color, just a little more flush. I love these, I've used them before. The only thing I don't like is the burning sensation, but I've tried Buxom glosses on my channel before, and I'm honestly, in this set, I'm willing to let go of that. I probably still wouldn't buy a full size just because I won't use this enough, just because it's burning now. Continuing with the mini theme, I am now going to try on Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Hydrating Lipstick in the color Beach Babe. This is, I should stop calling every single one of these nudes because they're all nudes. This is more of a beigey nude, whereas the Buxom lip gloss I just tried on is a little bit more mauve in its undertones. It has a hint of purple and brown in there. This is more beigey in my opinion. Now it will pull differently on everybody, but just as a note. And this is also a lipstick and that was a lip gloss, so let's try this on. So right away I can tell it is a beautiful peachy beige pink nude on me. It is kind of patchy in places, but I think it applies pretty evenly overall. Very hydrating, it feels really moisturizing. I'm sure it won't last too long because of those attributes, but I like it. It doesn't have any discernible scent. Overall, I like it upon first application. I think it's a beautiful color. If I keep looking this way, it's because I'm looking in my mirror because I have bad eyesight and I can't see the viewfinder. I'm trying to analyze what's going on in this area right now. But I think it's beautiful. It's not fully opaque and I don't think it's intended to be because it's a hydrating lipstick. It is a beautiful color though, and so far both products for me get a thumbs up. On to my last deluxe size product. I'm so excited to get to these full size products, man. Like, let's try on the next product. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color 105. This to me looks like a mix between both of the colors I first tried on. It's a little bit of a mauve, a little bit of a peachy beige. I'm getting kind of gray undertones from this, so we'll see once it goes on my lips if I cringe or not. There you go. It's gray AF. Okay, this looks a lot scarier in the viewfinder than it does in the mirror, but this is one of those colors where I cringe. I just don't do well with any slight hint of a white base, and I don't do well, because I have olive skin, with any kind of grayish purple undertones. I think it looks okay in person. On the viewfinder, it looks really ugly, but you guys can let me know what you think. Leave a comment and tell me, because I'm not feeling it. But I think if you have a darker and maybe even cooler skin tone, you will pull this off really well as a nude. But just on me, it doesn't feel like a nude. Formula-wise, I'm really liking it upon first application. Doesn't feel like anything's there. I feel like it's already dry because this is a liquid lipstick. Look at that, barely anything, just like a slight outline, but I just put it on like 10 seconds ago. The formula feels like there's nothing on my lips. Doesn't feel too drying at all. Like I just don't feel like there's anything on my lips. And when I was applying it, it felt super liquidy. Really, really, really runny and liquidy feeling, but so pigmented and opaque. My first impression of this is a thumbs up. I'm gonna start with Stila for the first full size try on. And this is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Carmelo. Another Butte, pinky, nude looking shade to me. Definitely a little bit warmer toned. Looks a little bit lighter than the last color I tried on from Makeup Forever. These are pretty iconic. I mean, I know everyone's heard of them. I have Stila Baci. This looks a little bit more warm, a little bit more nude. Let's see. Anytime I put on liquid lipstick, I use a very, very tiny amount. So I always scrape a little bit off the edge, because using a ton of liquid lipstick never turns out well. It'll crackle, it'll get into lip lines. I find that I get the most opaque and most even application by just using a very small amount of product and spreading it as evenly as possible before it dries. I think this is a gorgeous color and the formula is beautiful. It's not as pigmented as the Sephora liquid lipsticks that I'm obsessed with, or the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I can still see the slight contours of my lip color, my natural lip color, but that's because I have more pigmented lips. But personally, in a liquid lipstick, I think it should be opaque, but these last forever. I've used these before, so I'm a huge fan, and I think this is an amazing set because this is full size. I think shade ranges are always a problem. I do want to say this set does pull light. So that's the Stila Stay All Day Lipstick in Liquid Lipstick in Carmelo, and that's another thumbs up. Everything in this set is a thumbs up for me so far. The moment of truth, stay tuned. Okay, last but definitely not least is the product I've been waiting for. I'm really excited to try this. I've only tried one Huda Beauty product before, lip product, and that would be the little deluxe size strobe lip gloss that was in my Give Me Some New Lip Kit video in December or January. I'll link all my other swatch and lip videos below, but this one is the liquid matte lipstick in the color Trendsetter. This is definitely a darker, more brown based nude. I see beige, I see a little kind of like terracotta hints. I think this will be great for people who don't like as much pink in their nude lipsticks. Okay, well that went everywhere. Apologies for the messy application. I'm like all outside my lip lines. But upon first application, it feels sticky when I'm talking in a way that was not sticky with this or the Makeup Forever liquid lipsticks. I just want to touch on that. I've never tried her liquid matte lipsticks before. Very sticky feeling. There's a scent. There's like a rosy, it smells like cough syrup. Ew. It's not an overpowering scent, but it's definitely there when you apply it. I can't smell it anymore, but when I was applying it, I realized like a little bit late, I was like, wait, there's definitely some sort of scent going on. The color is beautiful. I think if you have darker skin tone too, this will be an awesome nude on you. It feels sticky. And it goes everywhere. So I'm not like super thrilled with this upon first application, but I don't not like it either. I'm really happy with everything in this set so far. Overall, I love this set. I am seriously so into this. This is probably one of my favorite nude sets of all time from Sephora, so I'm really excited about this. Leave me comments, let me know what you thought of the colors I tried on. I just can't say enough how important I think it is for Sephora to put 2 full-size products in these sets, because that's what really makes it a value in my eyes. I am really happy with everything that they have in this set, even the ones that I wasn't a huge fan of the color. I think there's a little bit of something for everyone, but again, I do have to say that a lot of the Sephora sets are geared towards lighter skin tones. I hope that every time, in an ideal world, I think every time that they come out with one of these nude sets, they would do a darker version and a lighter version, because I think trying to mix them doesn't actually work, because people with darker skin tones still find themselves not being able to wear these colors. So that's just one point I want to hit on. Overall though, for my skin tone and how colors and formulas work for me, I'm loving it. Huge thumbs up. This is probably one of my favorite sets, and I kind of knew that when I saw it, that when it came out, so I was like, I definitely want to do a giveaway with this because I did one last year. So please make sure to subscribe. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, but subscribe because you need to be subscribed to enter the giveaway. All the info will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Check the description box for giveaway instructions and subscribe to my channel.